Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn basic data management in R. This is the part 3 of this series. Now, in this video, we'll be learning how to recode variables. I'm your instructor Rajesh Durbala. I'm an assistant professor in business analytics and research methodology. Now, going ahead, let's get into the grind and learn recoding variables. Now, recoding variables, it involves creating new values of a variable conditional on the existing values of the same and or other variables. For example, you may want to change a continuous variable into a set of categories, or replace miscoded values with correct values, or create a pass or fail variable based on a set of cutoffs, whatever. These are all logical operations. Now, for example, let us say you have been given a data set, and where you have to classify the data set, you have to create a logic where students, you want to classify students who are passing or failing. Okay, you have their scores. Now, let us say any student who is scoring more than 40% can be classified as pass, and any student who is scoring less than 40% will be considered as failed. Now, how to do that? So that is how you will be recoding their marks into a new variable. Let us say pass category. Okay, so pass category would be either pass or fail. So that is what is called recoding variables. So these are the various logical operators that would be used. You can pause the video and just make a note of it. So these are the various operators. Moving ahead, how do we go ahead with recoding? Let's say you want to recode the ages of managers in the leadership data set from the continuous variable age to the categorical variable, that is age category. You want to classify them as young, middle-aged or elder. So first and foremost, what I'm doing is, there is manager 5 whose age is given as 99. For me, that looks a bit weird. This is out of context. Okay, so it could be an error. So I would like to classify that as NA, let's say. Okay, now how would I do that? I would write a command like leadership. Okay, this is the data frame leadership. In that data frame, I have a variable called age. So parent data frame and dollar followed by, you can see, followed by the variable. Okay, parent data frame, dollar and the variable, square bracket, leadership, dollar age. It has to be exactly equal to 99 and it has to be written as NA. Likewise, the statement variable in square brackets condition equals to the expression. This is the generic coding formation or the assignment of the condition. Okay, and the condition would be assigned only when it is true. Now, how will I create the age cat, that is the age category variable? Now let us say I'm classifying as ages greater than 75 is considered elder, 55 to 75 middle aged, and less than 55, let us say young. Okay, so very simple. The name of the data frame, dollar, and then I'm creating a new variable, that is age cat. Okay, this is the new variable, data frame, dollar, new variable, and define the logic for that. Square bracket, leadership, dollar age and greater than 75, square bracket close, that's equal to elder. Likewise, leadership, dollar age cat, that's the new variable in the data frame leadership, square bracket, leadership, dollar age greater than equal to 55 and leadership, dollar age less than equal to 75. I'll consider that as middle aged. Likewise, you can see leadership, dollar age cat, square brackets, leadership, dollar age less than 55 equals to young. Quite simple. So you can also combine all of them. Before that, let us say note, you have to note that if you hadn't recoded 99 as a missing or NA, then the manager 5 would have been erroneously assigned the value elder, okay, in the age category. But it appears to be age 99, it appears to be, an outlier, so I prefer to consider that as NA, okay. And if you have to condense all the codes, okay, you have to write it compactly. This is how you can write: leadership equals to, this is the name of the data frame that I'm about to create, equals to within, okay, within leadership, comma, curly bracket, age cat equals to NA, then age cat square brackets, age greater than 75 square bracket close equals to elder, and age cat age greater than 55, and age less than equal to 75 equals to middle aged, and age cat where age is less than 55 equals to young. So this is the basic classification. This is the condensed coding format. You can also use several packages for recoding purpose. A few of the most popular ones are the car package with its recode function. Then you have a do-by, which has a record variable function, and then you have another package rships. It has got the cut function. All these functions are used for recoding variables. Now let's just try our hands on R and see how this thing works in R. Okay. In the previous lectures, we had created a data frame for the same data, and then what we did is we tried to create new variables. Okay. So that was in the previous lecture. So we did this thing till here in the previous lecture. So just I would demarcate that. Okay, from here onwards, I am trying to incorporate. Let us first extract my data frame, earlier data frame, so that it will be easy for us to recall what it is. Okay. So this was my, now it gives me the latest data frame. So let us run the entire commands and see how it comes. Okay. So first, this is the data frame, leadership, age, and then I put the square brackets, $age double equals to 99. I am naming it as NA. Okay, run it. Then I have leadership $age cat square brackets, leadership $age greater than 75. I'm naming it as elder. I'm running it. Okay, and then now leadership $age cat, leadership $age greater than equal to 55, and leadership $age less than equal to 75. I'm naming it as middle aged. Likewise, leadership $age cat square bracket, leadership $age less than 55 equals to young. Okay, so I'm running it. Now if I extract and retrieve what is leadership, let's see. Okay, now you can see I have a new variable called age cat, and according to the age, okay, according to the age, I'm getting this. Okay, see, age 12 young, age 45 young, age 25 young, age 39 young. If I had got this 99, okay, this would have been elder. Okay, now let's condense and use the compact coding. Now in the compact coding, this entire code could be written this way, and once you run it, then you can see the file. Okay, now these are the ages, and this is the new age category. Fine. So I hope this was useful for you and you found it interesting. You can get in touch with me on any of the social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. You can write to me directly at rajeshdurbala@gmail.com. Thank you for your attention, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.